Hey Josh, give us something nasty for the video.
I don't know if it will.
Hey!
What's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to episode 22 of Milkshake Wednesday. I'm Liddy's as Titties, but tonight's gonna be a wild night. I'm a bit late, so that's why I'm rushing. Hope you guys enjoyed last week's video. Absolutely insane BMW, fastest I've ever been in my life. So go check out that video. I'll link it up top if you guys haven't checked it out yet. I think that's a way to make an entrance tonight. Guys, as I said, I'm feeling lit. So yeah, I feel tonight's gonna be a good night. So yeah, let's go check it out. Guys, Dwayne is here. He said he's coming to chill tonight. Hello. He said he's gonna come and chill with us tonight. Yes, everyone's just starting their cars. He's gonna chill with us tonight, so we're gonna check out the Spark, or maybe do something cool, a little cool video for him again. But yeah, episode 22 is gonna get wild. There's a lot of people here tonight, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I think they're gonna race. I'm just gonna give them a little tip quickly on some photography. So just show up your phone quick. So if you guys see all the lines, the guidelines, so if you can get your car in focus on one of those bottom basically crosses, so either this cross or that cross over there, you can get the car focused, or a specific area focused on that area. That's the basics basically of photography. Really good angles. Yeah, so just always make sure, like when you take a photo like that, try get the car as level as possible. It's just gonna make it easier when you edit to get the car square and level with the ground. So you always want your car level and try and get your ground surface level as well. But very good dope angle. Try also to take a lot of portraits and like from a bit further away, so you can use it as like wallpapers and stuff. It usually helps. That's a dope angle, I love that. Now all you need to do is learn editing. That's a sick angle, guys. Just check that angle. That's really dope. I like that. Whose Subi is that?
Customers.
Customers. Okay,
Yeah.
that's dope.
Yes.
Hey, you gotta practice on your own car, guys.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's taking really good angles. Gave him a few tips now, as you guys saw. But if you guys would like to know anything more, comment down below and I'll let you guys know. Guys, Eliza joining us, trendsetter, fucking represent. Fuck yeah! How's it? How's it, guys? How are you? Nice to see the things you do to get the shots. Getting that on your knees. There we go. Always photographer sacrificing the most. Got you on your knees, yeah, got you. Sacrifices you gotta make for the some nice photography tips again. So we got Dwayne's stancespark, 2.5 seconds, f 4.0 and ISO 100. Let's check this banger. Sheesh. Okay, we got 2.5 seconds shutter speed, 4.0 f-stop, and our ISO 100. Sick shot. Shutter speed f4. Let's check it out. Comment down below what you guys think about that shot. Something loud. Maybe it's just a false hope. Oh, it's Golf GTIs. 2 Golf 5 GTIs, nice. Okay, we're gonna do some light painting quickly. I'm just gonna set the camera to 5-6 second shutter speed. Just gonna get the focus right. Okay, walk it later. We look like fucking crazy people. But let's see how that turned out. Jock's buying. Cheers, Jock. Have a good evening. Yeah, it looks pretty sick. Yo, bro, that looks dope. That looks sick. Racers! Thank you. Let's go for another round. Okay, that one actually came out pretty nice. 3, 2, 1. Like so small mensen. Ik weet niet of die view krijgen, de mensen. Yeah. Let's go check it out. That's gonna look sick. But it's blurred.
It looks like it.
Oh, let's check. It has to be cool.
It's cool.
3, 2, 1. Let's see how that turns out. It just says it could hold hands. It's only 2 lines, but that looks cool because it's more or less the same lines. Shutter speed, 5.6 f-stop. We're gonna write something cool. Let's see what Wayne. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Nice.
Oh, that's so close. Cheers. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So they're getting out too. Yes. Yeah. Let's see. She got it.
Circles or
Squiggle, circles. Swing that thing, on. Twee, Ian.
Ooh!
Yeah! 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 Sheesh, literally, sheesh. Sheesh.
What the?
That's it. That's dope. Fuck,
Send it to me.
yeah, I'll send it to you guys. That's the dopest photo of the night, guys. I think on that note, we're going to end it off. Episode 22, Milkshake Wednesday. Thank you guys for joining. Check out uniqueoriginals.com. Get yourself some merch. Support the website. Support the channel. Thank you guys for all the support so far. I appreciate you guys. Keep the positive vibes flowing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.
Memphis, man.